Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Then sign up for an account. I have already signed up. Next, click Fund Your Wallet on your screen. Then click the Receive from Another Wallet option. After that, click the search bar, type BNB and select it. After selecting BNB, copy the QR code and add it to your Binance app. Another way is by simply tapping on the Deposit from Exchange button below. Select Binance. It will redirect you to the Binance app, where you just need to enter the amount you want to transfer, then click Confirm to complete the transfer. And that's how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.